Have you ever wondered, what does the word anticipation mean? Stay tuned. In this video, we will answer the question, what is anticipation inventory? The word anticipation is defined in one way as the act of preparing for something. In the case of anticipation inventory, it is the act of preparing for something with regards to inventory. Formally defined, anticipation inventory is inventory that is kept on hand to account for or anticipate expected changes in demand. Spikes in demand generally occur because of seasonality, inflation and deflation, holiday events, current events, political changes, or other major trends. Anticipation inventory is commonly referred to as speculation inventory or smoothing inventory because it is bought in advance to avoid price increase or delays in time. Keep in mind that anticipation inventory is a form of a buffer and therefore must be forecasted. In these cases, it is often a wise decision to use inventory management software. Hold up a second. Did we just use the word forecast? Since forecasts, as we know, are always wrong, one must ask the question, why? Why would a company use anticipation inventory? Let's first think of a retailer increasing its stock of ice cream and cold drinks before summer to anticipate higher sales. How about candy manufacturers who buy extra chocolate in advance of Valentine's Day? Businesses also use anticipation inventory to hedge against expected bumps in prices, shortages of materials, and of course, inflation. While preparing for sales and hedging against price hikes might be a selling point for anticipation inventory, we must also consider the downsides too. First and foremost, carrying inventory costs a business money, so the business must always weigh inventory costs with other financial considerations. In addition to the purchase cost of the inventory, there are storage costs and possibly the costs of setting up needed equipment to handle the inventory you have on hand. Plus, we must always remember that any money invested in inventory will not produce any return until the inventory is sold. To put it simply, inventory ties up capital, and that means the money cannot be used for other things. So, don't let too much anticipation build when building anticipation inventory. Keep it in balance. Okay, let's summarize. Anticipation inventory is any inventory over and above a normal amount of stock that you acquire to cover increased sales, changes in pricing, vacations, shutdowns, or any other anticipated event. You now know what anticipation inventory is and some of the benefits and disadvantages of it. We will most certainly return to this topic in the near future to cover more details. But before we go, I'd like to ask you, the viewer of this video, a question. What examples of anticipation inventory can you think of? Share your thoughts in the community comments or upcoming assignments, and remember, review often, and create a trigger that reminds you to come back regularly. Until next time, my friends, keep on improving, and we will keep on giving you solutions that ignite your power.